Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn about drawings and templates in AutoCAD. New drawings start from either a default drawing template file or a custom drawing template file that you create. Drawing template files store default settings, styles, and additional data. When AutoCAD starts, the Start tab is displayed by default. Here, you can open a saved AutoCAD file, and here, you can quickly start a new drawing file based on the current drawing template file, or you can specify a different template file from the templates list to start a new drawing. This acad.dwt is the default drawing template file. Here, we can browse for specific templates you want. A drawing template file is a drawing file that has been saved with a .dwt file extension, and it specifies the styles, settings, and layouts in a drawing, including title blocks. The default drawing template files are provided as samples. CAD managers or clients often create, maintain, and distribute drawing template files to maintain consistent standards and styles across an organization. Among the settings specified are units of measure and measurement style, units. Drafting settings, D settings. Layers and layer properties, layer. Line type scale, LT scale. Dimension styles, dim style. Text styles, style. Layouts with layout viewports and scales, layout. Plot and publishing settings, page setup. When you save these settings as a drawing template file, you can start creating designs without having to first specify any settings. Here, we will go ahead with default template. Let's meet in the next tutorial. Thank you.